All right, Narcs Hate They Love Me, y'all. NarcsHateTheyLoveMe on Instagram. Narcs Hate They Love Me on TikTok. Narcs Hate They Love Me on YouTube. If you're on the video right now, you have access to my channel. If you're familiar with me, if you subscribe to me, you'll know that my channel has taken a turn, all right? It's taking a turn, and I hope this turn will benefit you in your life, all right? I'm praying that this channel will benefit many in their lives, okay? All right, and on this one, I want to talk about management of emotions. All right, management of emotions, because a lot of empaths, right? You care too much. All right, y'all about fixing people. You care too doggone much. And it's okay to care, all right? It's okay to care. It's okay to be concerned, but not overly concerned, all right? Anything done out of moderation is not healthy, okay? Even with the finances, if you're putting out more than you're getting back, it's unhealthy. It's not for you. That's meant to break you down, all right? Same thing with foods, whatever you put in your body. If it's done out of moderation, I don't care if you drink a whole bunch of water. If it's done out of moderation, it's unhealthy. All right. So this video here is geared toward, like I said, overly caring. Because when you care too much, you become controlling. And then you start complaining because things are not done the way that you pinpointed, the way you instructed. And then you come off as crazy to whoever it is that you're trying to help. You see how this goes? So usually when you care too much, you tend to push people away. All right? A lot of y'all can bear witness to this. You tend to push people away. And people mentally check out. And then they go to somebody that's less valuable. And they listen to them. Okay, a lot of you are worried about and mentioning a new supply. Why did they downgrade? Because sometimes new supply can look better than you, but they lack the qualities that you have. But yet and still, your partner, they mosey on over there. Anyway, it's because they've established a mental connection with that person. Okay? A mental connection before people physically cheat. And the reason most people physically cheat is because they are dealing with something within themselves. But with the mental part, they check out way before they physically cheat. All right, way before. So now they feel like they're being heard. Okay? See, you, in your heart, like I said, you have good intentions. You got good motives. You want to see everybody on the up and up. Maybe you know how to do some things that can help elevate and enhance somebody else's life, right? But by you caring too much, now you're trying to pinpoint their every move, trying to see if they did it the way that you say do it. You cannot control and make somebody do something that you deem is the right way, okay? When you make them, you control them. Of course, when you control them, they're going to get to complaining. And then every time you're around them, they're going to see you as aggravated. You will see yourself as trying to help them. And because they don't listen, now you're the victim. You're misunderstood. They hate you because you trying to help them do better. But see, that's caring too much. Now your care is unhealthy. Y'all see how this go? So you have to take a step back. Don't try to control people's moves to make them do shit the way you said do it. Let them make their mistakes. Maybe this is not the person for you. Maybe this is somebody you don't need to be around. This is how you can pinpoint whether people are on your level or not. Over time, when you care too much, they're not going to even view you as a helper. All right? So everything has to be balanced, all right? It's okay for you to give some insight. It's okay for you to give some advice. But damn, don't work them to half to death. Some of you with parents, you present something to them, right? Something that you feel can elevate your life. They shut it down. That's controlling. They shut it down. Then you start to complaining. They start to complaining. And you never present anything else to them because why? You deem them as crazy. They're unavailable. You can't share anything with them. All right? I hope that makes sense to you. Again, I'm Narcs Hate They Love Me. I hope that brought some insight to you, okay? It's duality in everything. The sun comes up, the moon does too. We got day and night. All right? And sometimes, look, y'all, you can get so into your emotions, and I keep saying it till I'm blue in the face, to where it's the person. You feel like you the victim because it's the person that's not following. They're not following instruction. So you move them out the way. Don't worry about it. I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you. Not only do you handicap them, but they also deem you as the problem. All right? And in our reality, you are. All right? I'm Narcs Hate They Love Me. I leave you with peace. I leave you with love. And you have all the power in the world. All right? Take care. I love you. Bow. Peace, guys.